In this video, I present you MOSS-TTS-Nano, a tiny multilingual speech generation model which you can run anywhere on any device as long as there is a CPU in it. Let's get right into it. I'm going to use this Ubuntu system. Let me quickly create a virtual environment with Conda. Now this model is multilingual but only supports around 5 languages like Chinese, English, Japanese, Arabic and so on and so forth. But the good thing is that you can use this model for streaming inference, long text voice cloning plus multi simple local deployment, and we will shortly see it. If you're looking to rent a CPU on very affordable prices or even GPU or VM, you can find the link to Massed Compute in video's description with a discount coupon code of 50% for a range of GPUs. Also, please follow me on X as it helps a lot. Okay, so that is done. Let me now git clone the repo of this MOSS-TTS-Nano, and I will drop the link to it in video's description. It's a very small repo that is done. Let me install all the prerequisites from the root of the repo. Everything is installed, and now let's launch our Gradio demo. These all files are present in the repo. I have just made some cosmetic changes to put some Gradio interface on top of it. And the model is being downloaded, and you can see that it is now running on our local host as a Gradio demo, and the device is CPU. Let's access it in the browser. And this is where the Gradio interface is running, a very minimal sort of interface anyway. So what you can do here, you can provide it a target text. They have some preset voices which you can use, or you can use your own preset voice for voice clone. We will check both of them. For the preset, they have some Chinese, some English and other voices which are quite common. I would just go with English female Bella's voice, and then we are just going to generate the speech. So let me run this. It is running, shouldn't take too long. It's very fast and quick. And let me now run this.
It is difficult to get a man to understand something when his salary depends upon his not understanding it.
And that was pretty good, not bad at all. Let's quickly do a Chinese one. The same sentence, but I have translated it in Chinese. So I'm just going to select maybe what should I go with? I think I'll just go with this Chinese female voice. Let's go with this one. And then let's generate the speech. Let me play this, and of course if you are Chinese speaker or Japanese or any native speaker of that language, please let me know your thoughts.
当一个人的薪水依赖于他不去理解某件事时，要让他理解这件事是非常困难的。
Now that is definitely not a female voice, as you can see here. Okay, so what I will do, I will go with Japanese now. Let's play the Japanese.
ある人の給料がそれを理解しないことに依存しているとき、その人に何かを理解させることは難しい。
That looks pretty good to me. Okay, now let's do the voice clone. I am going to go and select Arabic. Let me first play the original.
في الصحراء الواسعة وجدنا واحة جميلة مليئة بأشجار التمر والنخيل حيث يمكننا الراحة تحت ظلالها الباردة.
Let's see the result.
من الصعب جدا إقناع رجل بفهم شيء ما عندما يعتمد راتب على عدم فهم لذلك الشيء.
Not really, I don't think so. TTS market has become so saturated. I don't think so that there was any resemblance with the cloning, and I don't even think that it spoke the Arabic correctly. But if you are native Arabic speaker, please let us know. Let's try out Spanish. And it is doing that Spanish now. Let me quickly show you the CPU consumption. The CPU is, taking quite a lot of beating here, but still okay, not bad at all. Let's go back and see what is happening. Let's now play the original first.
La felicidad es un sentimiento fugaz que se puede encontrar en los momentos más simples de la vida. Una conversación cálida con un ser querido, una...
Let's play the result.
Es difícil lograr que un hombre vea algo cuando su salario depende de que no lo entienda.
There are some hints of, resemblance there, but it's not a good clone. As I said, TTS models have come a long way. Even if you just search on my channel with TTS, I have done more than, I would say, 7 to 800 videos on just TTS model alone. I'm not talking about STT dual mode, I'm just talking about TTS. Look at this list. You know, small CPU enabled, TTS models for the last 3 4 years since I have been covering these models. You see, even this kitten TTS, like more than 1 year ago, this was pretty good in multilinguality and all that. So there are a lot of TTS models. I think they really have to lift their game. And if you go through their GitHub repo and the social media announcements, they have been saying that they have released the model here, open sourced it, Apache 2, which is always good, no doubt about that. But what's the point if it's not doing a good job? And now I am doing the German one. And the funny thing is that for some of the languages, it takes longer. So you see, I just wanted to show you that for German, it is taking close to 30 to 40 seconds. It's not done yet. It's already been, there you go. So it has taken a bit of a time there. Anyway, let me play the original first and you can see this is the target text.
Glück ist ein flüchtiges Gefühl, das in den einfachsten Momenten des Lebens zu finden ist. Ein warmes Gespräch mit einem geliebten Menschen, ein wunderschöner Sonnenuntergang oder eine gute Tasse Kaffee können unsere Stimmung sofort heben. Es ist ein Geisteszustand.
And it's a pretty long reference audio so that it would have plenty of reference. Let me just run the result.
Es ist schwer, einen Mann dazu zu bringen, etwas zu verstehen, wenn sein Gehalt davon abhängt, es nicht zu verstehen.
So you see, there is no even resemblance of a very remote resemblance of what the actual voice is. So voice cloning with this audio, I think it's complete fail at this point in time. And if you're a German speaker, let me also know what do you think about this normalized text for other languages too. That should be good enough. They have provided some of the time and other statistics, which is always good, but I think they really need to improve this. So look, my final thoughts without throwing the project under the bus. The market is flooded with TTS models and simply being good or possible no longer moves the needle. We have so many giants out there as you just saw here. The bar is high. New entrants need to offer something genuinely outstanding, whether in voice naturalness, emotional range, latency, or language coverage. But this model is not even doing the basic voice cloning right. Anyway, the barrier to relevance has never been higher, and it is good that now we need to be quality conscious here. Let me know your thoughts. Like and subscribe, please, and also follow me on X. Thank you for all the support.